Hey guys, it's Gabby. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I actually have a review for you guys of the new Holo Taco holiday collection. And guys, I already know I am so late at trying out Holo Taco, but with the first collection, there was nothing I was like super excited about, so I didn't end up getting anything. But when I saw this, I was so excited because everything just looks so cute and fun. So I did end up getting it, and then I also got the Holo Taco top coat. But yeah, I'm going to be doing some swatches for you guys, and then I also have some easy nail ideas at the end of the video. So yeah, let's just get right into it. Okay, so there are 5 shades and each one cost $13, and then I did get the top coat like I mentioned before. And all of these, of course, are holographic, and I absolutely love the packaging. It's really simple, but then you have the pop of holographicness in it. And then the top of the bottles and the packaging actually have the logo on it too, which I thought was really cute. So moving on to the first swatch, this is Rainbow Snow, and it is a silver holo glitter. And I definitely think that everybody needs a silver holographic nail polish in their collection. But you guys, I was impressed. Like, this has a really good formula. I was able to get it completely opaque in 2 coats. Like, 2 coats for a glitter nail polish? Okay, Cristine. I have no complaints about this one. This is definitely, you're gonna see this again. So another thing I do want to say though, with any glitter polish, if you get like kind of random pieces sticking off the edge of your nail, you can kind of just take your finger and push it back into place. Just a little tip for you. And then I did finish that off with the Holo Taco glossy top coat, and you do have the option of doing 2 coats of top coat just in case you don't like that slightly textured finish, but it's really just a personal preference. So moving on to the next shade, this is Play Rosé, and this is a rose gold holographic glitter, and I seriously have nothing like this in my collection, so I was really excited about this one too, and it did not disappoint. This ended up being a 2-coater again, which is crazy. And personally, I feel like this one would be really cute for New Year's, just saying. And this does have a jelly base to it. I honestly, don't ask me what color because I really have no idea, but it has that and then a bunch of glitter packed into it. So it is more of a thicker formula, but it's not hard to work with, if that makes sense. Like, I feel like it levels out really nicely. So yeah, after that I finished it off again with the glossy taco, and this is 2 coats of Play Rosé. And next up we have Party Punch, and this is a red holographic glitter, and again it has that jelly base, and it's not actually, it's red, but it's not like red, it's more of a pinky red. So I feel like the more coats you do, the redder it will get. But again, this was completely opaque in 2 coats, so I didn't even do a 3rd coat. Plus, I rather it look more pink than red because you guys already know I like pink. So yeah, that is 2 coats of Party Punch with the Holo Taco. So the next shade is Midnight Spark, and this is a deep blue holographic shade. And guys, this color is actually gorgeous. Like, honestly, if you have really short nails, you should be able to get away with 1 coat for this because I really only had a few bald spots. And again, it had a really good formula, and I didn't feel like it took too long to dry or anything like that. So overall, I'm honestly really happy with this, and I'm not just saying that because it is Cristine, because I wasn't going to be like, oh my gosh, it's amazing, just because, you know, she made it. But I do have to say, like, this is a quality nail polish, you guys. I don't know if you have tried it. If you have, let me know what you think. But yeah, that is 2 coats of Midnight Spark. And then lastly is Frostlight, which is a nice icy blue holographic shade. And this was definitely the sheerest out of all of them, just because you can see that base is like a very sheer jelly base. But I was still able to get it completely opaque in 3 coats, so it really wasn't terrible. And you do have the option of sponging these on, but honestly, I feel like there's not really a point to do that unless you're doing nail art with them, but it really is just a personal preference. And you do want to be careful to not make your coats too thick, not just with this nail polish, but any glitter nail polish, just because it will take forever to dry and it just ends up getting globby, and you don't want it to get globby. So now I'm going to be moving on to some nail ideas, and I actually used outside colors for this just because I don't like doing all holographic. Like, I rather have some creams and mattes mixed with holographic. So I hope you guys like the nail ideas, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye!